Evolution, fact or fiction? Evolution, on the other hand, seems to supply more questions than answers. If every creature evolved with no creator, there are numerous problems for scientific evolution. Take, for instance, the first bird. Did the bird breathe? Did it breathe before it evolved lungs? How did it do this? Why did it evolve lungs if it was happily surviving without them? How did it know what needed to be involved if a brain hadn't yet evolved? Did the bird have a mouth? Did the bird have a mouth? How did it eat before it had evolved a mouth? Where did the mouth send the food before its stomach evolved? How did the bird have energy if it didn't eat because it didn't yet have a mouth? How did the bird see what there was to eat before its eyes evolved? Evolution is intellectual suicide. It is an embarrassment. Professor Louis Bonheur, Director of Research, National Center of Scientific Research, so rightly stated, evolution is a fairy tale for grown-ups. This theory has... Sorry, I don't have my glasses. This theory has helped nothing in the progress of science. It is useless. Michael Rose wrote, an increasing number of scientists, most particularly a growing number of evolutionists, argue that Darwinian evolutionary theory is no genuine scientific theory at all. Many of the critics have the highest intellectual credentials. Darwin's Theory, an Exercise in Science. New Scientist, June 25, 1981. Dr. T.N. Tamizian of the Atomic Energy Commission said, scientists who go about teaching that evolution is a fact of life are great con men, and the story they are telling may be the greatest hoax ever. Malcolm Muggeridge, British journalist and philosopher, said, I myself am convinced that the theory of evolution, especially the extent to which it has been applied, will be one of the great jokes in the history books of the future. Posterity will marvel that so flimsy and dubious an hypothesis could be accepted with the incredible credulity that it has.